2017 HyperWorks release has a lot of enhancements to the modeling and assembly capabilities of the software. So we've put in a new parts browser with a built-in part library. The part library is a great tool for storing and loading work in progress. So you can store a catalog of all the common parts that a work group needs to use. So they can download their models from their PLM system and store them locally in a parts library for work in progress. And it keeps revision control on them so they can back up to the different versions and reload. And they can also build different configurations now of their models. In the configuration modeler now, they can import parts from the part library and then group them into what we call part sets, which are convenient groupings of parts. And then they can drag those parts together into assemblies and configure them for different load cases or different variations of their models. The other feature of having parts in the software is we do part instancing now too. So if you load in a part that has multiple instances through the model, we support that. We don't have to create multiple copies of it. We can actually do the instancing, which is very memory efficient. Also in the model build and assembly tool set is enhanced ID management as well. So not only can we assign IDs based on different rules that you define in the software, but you can import ID systems from spreadsheets, XML files, databases, and so forth that are then used when it does the renumbering or the assembly of a model and has to resolve part collisions. A really important part of doing model assembly is connecting all those parts together. Connectors are really vital to the overall assembly process. You know, the quality of the connectors that you create really determines the outcome of the quality of the overall assembled model as well. So for us to get a good high fidelity solution, we have to have really good connection generation as well.